In order to find the equation of the line that is parallel to this line and which passes through the x-intercept of -4, we have to do two things. First of all, we have to find the slope of this line right here. So the way that we can find the slope is we're going to have to solve for y. So the very first thing I would do is subtract the x over and then divide by 5. And I get y equals -1/5 x plus 3/5. The slope of this line is -1/5, and because it's parallel, I want the equation of the line parallel, it's also going to be -1/5. Now, if instead it had said perpendicular, then I would have wanted my slope to be +5. Sometimes what confuses students is that they think that this 3/5 here has something to do with the problem, but it doesn't. It's the slope of this line that we know, it's the slope of this line right here, but it's not the slope of the line that I want, which has this x-intercept. So all you do is you just steal the slope, especially because it's parallel, you steal the slope of the line, and then you take it with the point that is represented by the x-intercept. So the x-intercept is -4, 0, because an x-intercept always has the y value of 0, and now I don't even use this, I use this slope combined with this x-intercept, and I use the point slope formula. So that would be y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, and I put in y minus 0 for my y1 equals, the slope is -1/5 times x minus x1, which is going to turn into +4. And that's the equation in point slope form. Okay, now it did not say what form to put it in, but I may as well put it in standard form and show you that. So then what I would do is I would multiply both sides by -5 and then distribute on the left, so I get -5y. It will be -0 plus 0, which is just 0, so I can leave that alone. When I multiply the -5 here by the -1/5, that just turns into 1, and I don't even need to write the 1, and then I'm just left with x plus 4. Okay, so it's 1 times x plus 4. Whatever number would be left over, let's suppose this was a -10, then when I multiply, when I say this, what I'm talking about is, is this, where are you? Is when I multiply by, if I were to make this -5 and -10, then this would have turned out to be 2, because -10 times -1/5 is 2, and then I would distribute. But in this case it was 1, so I don't have to distribute anything. And then finally, the last step that you want to do is you want to bring over your x to the other side. Okay, bring it to the left so I can get it in standard form, and then that would be -x minus 5y equals 4, and then I can multiply everything through by a -1, which would make it x plus 5y equals -4, and we are done.